Hi, today I am going to show you how to plot a histogram. So, to plot a histogram, I will use this sample data. This data, it is for the cost of electricity for 20 months. So, from this sample data, I have to find the maximum and minimum value. So, for maximum, I have to type max, then select this whole column, close it, press enter. You got the maximum value. Minimum, I have to type minimum, then again select this full column, this, press enter. So you got this. So 97 to 221, I have here value in this range. So here I will create some range in such a way that it will cover this range. So 91 to 110, first one, then 111 to 130, then 131 to 150, then 151 to 170. Next one will be 171 to 190, then 191 to 210, then 211 to 230. So we got this. Now from this range I have to take the maximum value for bin. So 110, then 130, then 150, then 170, then 190, then 210, 230. So I got all. Now I have to plot the graph. So click data. You can see here data analysis. Data analysis. Maybe you have this or you don't have this data analysis here. If you don't have, so click file, go for option, click add in. You see here analysis toolpack. You have to upload this in Excel. Now I go for data analysis, then click on histogram, press OK. Now I have to select input range. Click this data, then select this bin. Got this. Put tick here. Put also tick here. But select on cell. Any cell somewhere here to get the table from Excel when it will generate histogram. So let's click here. It is done. Press OK. See, histogram data is generated. Now what I will do, I click here, say I click here, I will select some pattern of the graph from here, say this one. Say I will select something, this one. Select it. Now this frequency I don't need it because it is disturbing, less than. Now graphs become bigger. So bring it here. It looks nice. So first condition for histogram, there will be no gaps between this column bar. So click on here, format data series, make this gap 0. So it is done. So this is the real histogram. There will be no gaps in between column bar. Okay. Now we have to do some customization on the graph to look it better. So first I will make here one table. Say I will copy the frequency, put it here. Then I will bring this range. Put it here. Now for this whole table, I will make border line outside as well as inside grids. So it is done. Now for this one also I will make, click on format cell, click on this, click here, click this. So you got this. Nice. Now you can put here very light color. See this one. Again for this also you can put very light color. Say this one. It is done. I want to bring this number in the middle. It looks, now it's good. As well this also I want to bring it in center. Now it's good. So all are done. Both tables are ready. You can see now range and the frequency on this table. Here I want to do some customization. So what I'll do actually here, look at this one. What I'll do, I'll go for format plot, go for the border, click here, make it slight deeper color, make it slight thicker. This is done. Now for outside, this outside I have to make also deeper, make it 1.25, so it will be more thicker. Now see outside line, inside line, very clean looking. And here this beam I can make here say cost of electricity. Cost of electricity is good. Histogram, I want to write here histogram for bills. This is done. Only the thing I want to make now, this should be more black and more bright. So say I put it black, now it looks nice. Cost of electricity, I want to change even. I want to change the font and make it black. Good. For this frequency, you do the same thing. Make it 11 and black. See, it looks very nice. Now for this axis data, x-axis data, I will do some changes for the size of the font and black and bold. See, now it's looking more prominent. This one also I will do the same. This bold and 10. Now it is perfect. Now this is the perfect graph for the histogram. That's all for today.